So, hey guys, welcome back to Phone Words. In this video, I will tell you how you can shoot cinematic video on iPhone 11, 12 and later on devices. So, first of all, you need to open App Store and download this app Protake Mobile Cinema Camera. After download it, you need to open Protake and allow all the promotions. As you can see here, portrait mode. By default, it's selected on auto focus. Now you can simply tap on portrait. As you can see here, portrait video with blurred background. Tap on. Now you will shoot cinematic video on iPhone 11, 12 and later on devices. So that's it for today's video. If you enjoy it, be sure to give it a thumbs up and drop a comment.